That no sounds great. Here, right here. Wait on, right here.
You're not even getting one.
Here, right here. Good job. See, they said they put them together, like they put a
Try another one.
or something on there, and that's how he can pick it up. But when
Try
it's
another
small,
one. Try to get you another one.
They're slippery, aren't they?
Your aim's not too good, mister. Hey, Whittam. Your aim's not too good yet. Sorry.